Today is so pretty. It is so pretty outside, and I am so pretty. But yeah, enjoy this good Sunday. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to give y'all a little bit more of me. So y'all can get to know your girl. I'm gonna put the bag down. My kids, they little snacks. Boo boo. My little kids. I got my little split working today. What is this? This park is kind of dusty today, baby. But I still make this picture good, huh? You, you.
Let me feel my hand. You know, I want to take off my shorts. Cause let me go put this where my stuff is.
Junior don't know what he did with his storm trunk. Yeah, they really like this park right here. Yeah, so guys, if you in Houston, this park is off Belford and MLK. MLK and Belford. I do not know the name of this park, but I can let you guys know once we leave. I think it's over the E or something. But I don't know. Just look up the park off MLK and Belford. And it's across from the city trends and the blood bank and all this stuff like that. Baby, yeah, they got the splash pad for the kids. And my kids, they love it. They love it. Look at them. Since it's always like packed at Herman Park, I was so excited to pass by this gym, taking my oldest to her high school. Yeah. So yeah, this our Sunday, y'all. Sitting pretty, looking pretty. Too Pretty Show. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You never know what you'll see from me. Because for some reason, somebody told me I could be anything I want to be. Somebody told me I can do anything that I want to do. So, like, I really took that to heart. And so, like, I can't, and I've been struggling with this for a long time. I can't decipher or choose one thing to just stick to and do. So, if you guys don't want to subscribe to me because I can't stick to one niche or one subject, well, bye. Because that's not me. I be doing this and I be doing that and I be doing this and I be doing that and I switch it up and I always switch it up and that's just what I do. That's me. I've been doing this since I was born. Okay, so yeah, that's just a little bit about me. You'll get to know more, but you got to subscribe. Man, get your girl to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, and I will give you guys more details on me. A little short biography. The tea. It's not gonna be. It's some juicy stuff because a lot of people they see me around, they think they know me, but they do not know me. Even family members, y'all do not know me. If you got anything negative to say about me, you do not know me. Like it's real over here. Like I'll do anything for anybody. My heart is good, but I don't gotta tell y'all that. Y'all gonna see. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.